Everyone, I'm going to Oliveto and I would like to show you Joe's bar. Here we're on Oliveto, Joe's bar on the first floor. This is the area where you can just come in and have a nice aperitif or a drink in the evening. We have a few tables in this middle room. Okay, this is our terrace, which you can just come for a drink as well, or bring a cigar. Don't forget, we're allowed dogs, so if you have a dog, please do not come with huge dogs, but a reasonable size. You can bring your own dog. And normally, I come here in the evening and I like to smoke a cigar, which I'll probably do later on. Okay, meanwhile, now I'm going to get an aperitif at the bar. Then I'll have a dinner, and then I'll come back up here to smoke a cigar. Cheers. This is a Franciacorta, it's Italian champagne, which we import directly from Italy, and it's a top quality, I guess. And please, come and try it. And for my main course, I've got my favorite ribeye, bone-in ribeye, Scottish. Top, fantastic, I love it. And some French fries. I think they're quite crispy. Lovely. Now I'm having a dessert. This is my favorite dessert. One of it is the frozen yogurt, natural yogurt with Sardinian bitter honey, which is very unusual. It's one of our creations, very years, one of our best selling frozen yogurt dessert. And the other one is blueberry frozen yogurt. And now I moved up in the terrace with my nice cigar, and you can see I smoke a very short and fat one, Cuban. I only like the big gauge one, with my lovely espresso. And that's the end of my evening. I might even have a little liqueur later, but we'll see. Thank you. Bye-bye.